when it comes to digital and meeting the physical world in this new economy, the amazing opportunity we have is to take inspiration from natural materials which are architected at all these multiple scales, so from the nano all the way to the macro level our eyes can see. And what we can now do with digital fabrication technology, like 3D printers, for example, we can actually start to architect materials, lay down structure and pattern and geometry that enables simple building blocks, very, very simple material ingredients that are useful for ecosystems, that are nutrients for larger systems that we're all dependent on. These simple building blocks can be assembled in very complex ways. And because we have the technology now to do that, it opens up a world of material performance that currently we try and achieve with a lot of chemistry that is not it's not very good for anyone, as well as methods that use high pressure and high temperature. And so when you can substitute structure for chemistry, when you can substitute all of these industrial methods for the elegance of fabricating with digital technology, digital fabrication technology, it opens up the potential of creating an economy of the future that relies on material performance, but with a shared palette we can all participate in.